quick update. Let's see what's going on here collectively. How to help you guys with your energy fields and collective energies, okay? Okay, we have limitation, changing to power of the great, changing to the marrying maiden. Okay, the first changing line is harsh restrictions backfire. Don't punish yourself in pursuit of purity. Rhythmic boundaries enhance flow. Let your rituals hold your field steady. Sacred limits protect clarity. Knowing when to stop is an act of power. Some energy here of force that needs to be restrained. So essentially what you guys are looking at is needing to set boundaries with yourself right now, okay? And this is all around. So we're looking at boundaries of forced purity, forced love and light type of energy, forced power structures, forced will. I don't know how this could manifest, but just pay attention to what you're dealing with energetically. As far as the light body goes and the energy field goes, if you use any force within the light body, you can totally disrupt the field, okay? If you work towards ascension and really high frequencies without doing the structural work within the field, what happens is the field starts rupturing. So if you're bringing in really high frequencies into the body and field, you haven't done the structural work to build the Merkaba structures, to ground and to anchor, and to do the healing process. So working with the shadows and distortions in the field will start rupturing, okay? I've seen it multiple times. So if you're bringing really high frequencies and you don't have that structural coherence, the frequencies are too high for not only the light body, but the physical body. The etheric template will start tearing and you'll create blocks or bubbles of light in the field. So they're like blocks, but they're high frequency blocks that cannot find a place because the frequency isn't high enough. Okay, so that's what I'm seeing here. So there's a need to really refine the structure of the field to work with what you have now. Don't try to push more than you're ready for, okay? It's an organic process of structuring the field, healing, raising the frequency, structuring the field, healing, raising the frequency, okay? It's a step-by-step process to move into this. You have to always be anchored. The lower gateways, Earth Star, Earth Gateway, have to be open. Otherwise, the energy gets stuck in the body. So there's this feedback loop. So it will bounce and come back up, okay? It has to channel into the earth, okay? The Earth Gateway, your heart, and the cosmic heart are the void spaces, essentially, and they give the energy places to go. So as they flow through these, they can loop back around and it becomes a coherent loop of energy through your system, through all your atoms, through the cosmic heart, source energy, through the heart of the planet, which is the Earth Gateway. Okay, everything has to be open and coherent. You cannot use force here because if anything's shut down, it can create distortions in the field. Okay, so I'm seeing that. So there's a tempering of power that needs to happen and ultimately a subordination on your part. Okay, this is 54, the marrying maiden. So instead of pushing through will, there's a need to kind of step back for a second, reevaluate, look at your field, scan your fields to see where you're open, aligned, and harmonized. And if there's any distortions, those need to be cleared before you continue pushing forward. You also may need some stability within the light body. Okay, I hope that was helpful. See you next time.